Hey, it's Michael here for artrender.info and welcome to a very exciting MAXSCRIPT tool which is called Group Manager. Today I'm gonna take you through the tool, show you what's included, how to use it, and some general tips and tricks. So here I have, for example, an object and I want to multiply and align it to all the instances. And I use for it Detach selection to all group instances. So here I want to attach tableware to the table. I've linked it to the top of the table. That's why I have for every top I have one single tableware, one single group I wanted to say. So now I want to apply it to all the legs. So let's take this group tableware and attach it to the leg. Can you see now? Every leg has its own group, its own tableware. I have 16 destinations. Here I have a difficult light and I have to multiply this element to all the light. So you can see I put these elements to every point. I have 275 destinations. And here is the final picture. I remember I had all these problems with target lights when I wanted to copy them to the spotlight and align. I think some of you also had such problems. So now look, I select the very light target. Don't forget to select the target as well and link it to the spot. Do you see now? Nice and easy, very fast. And all the spotlights now have a very light. Here I have a ceiling with a lot of small spotlights and I need just a simple very light to be linked to every one of them. And look how easy it is now to apply to all these 206 destinations. Do you see? Every one of them now has a very light. Also nice and easy. Let's move on. Here I have some boxes. All of them are instances. Do you see? Even the last one is instance. The only thing that is rescaled. So here I have a light and I want to apply it to all the boxes. Do you see? Now every box has its own very light. You can use, of course, anything, any light you want, any object. Let's say I want to multiply this very light together with some other objects to every box. The same, I select my tool, apply, and now every box has its own objects. And what if I want to add one by one? Now I've attached the very light. Now I want to attach the teapot, then Taurus, and my little tableware. And everything is done. Even the last box where it's rescaled, the added objects remain as should be. Now here I have some very lights that are instances, and I want to attach the light to every very light. You can see now also they are nicely aligned. Here I want to make a quick overview of other features of Group Manager, and let's see what else can it do. So here I have Ungroup Selection, Group Selection, as well ungroup. Here I have attach selection to the group or to the object. And open all groups. This is enable or disable opened group selection. What does it mean? I had very often problems when I wanted to select, for example, an object or a closed group from an open group. That is, for example, I have a light inside, I want to select it, but I always was selecting the open group. So that's why now when you see that it's blue, you can select it, and if it's red, if you press again the last button, it's unselectable. You can select now only the closed groups from inside or the objects from inside an open group. Here I have some 3 objects. I will group them and show you some other features. You can attach this to an object, and if this object is not a group, it will create a group for you. Now you can see that I can select only the objects, and now I can select even the group. Here I have close all the groups, and one more interesting thing is if I press right click, I will close the upper group one by one. This is Detach. You see a red box, it means that it will detach, and the green box will attach the selection to the group or to the object. And I hope you'll enjoy this tool. I hope you'll find interesting to use it. Please feel free to contact me anytime. If you have any ideas how to improve it, please check my website, that is www.artrender.info.